Today we're going to cover how to set up the core 10-person instant cabin tent. Even though this is an instant tent, it is quite tall and you certainly will want to have at least 2 people to set this up. It takes about 10 minutes to fully set up and tie down this tent with 2 people. Okay, so here's how to set up this tent. First up, unfold the tent and the tent legs and move it into position. Next, lift the tent up slightly and begin to extend the pre-attached poles until they click into place. Stake down the tent to help with stability. Assemble and attach the additional front porch support poles. Then attach and secure the rainfly using the rainfly clips. Finally, fully stake down the remainder of the tent and be sure to utilize the additional rainfly guylines for additional wind protection. With 2 people, we were able to set up this core 10-person instant cabin tent in 10 minutes, including fully staking it down. It's not instant, but I truly do enjoy the pre-attached pole setup better than standard poles. When it comes to taking down this tent, it takes about 5 minutes or so and is comparable with taking down a standard tent, only with pre-attached poles. Camping is all about enjoying the outdoors, and mastering your tent setup will make your camping trips more enjoyable. Just be sure to practice at home before you get out to the campsite.